This is our brand new 2026 Can-Am Defender Limited. It's got a lot of new things from last year's model. Let's show you around. Underneath there's full cab skid plates. They went with a rope winch this time, much better. They reconfigured the whole front of the machine with the new LED headlights and a steel bumper. It's got the new wide mirrors. As we move into this thing, all black limited interior. It's got a JL sound system with subs in all four corners. It's got a phone charger right here, or a phone slot, you just slide it right in. Lights and winch. The new AC is so good, it's around the whole machine. You have an airtight and watertight box right here with a charging cord. There's now 4 buttons on the steering wheel to run your new 10.25-inch screen. It's button start, so this is your new on-off key. This is sound up and down. This is your drive modes, your e-brake, you have your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive, diff mode, front lock, rear lock. This thing you can lock in all 4 tires at once so you can really dig into the mud. They fully reconfigured your new cup holders up here with this new dash as well. They moved them off the bottom. There's another watertight sealed box right here. This is a 4-door rig that can carry 6 people. As we move to the back, it's got the brand new HD 1111 engine, which is a 3-cylinder instead of a 2. It runs much quieter because it's 3 cylinders, so it runs on much lower RPMs. Another really cool feature for this year's model is they added these steps right here to enter the back of the rig, as well as reconfiguring this whole back where you can reach this tailgate from the side. They added a lot of strength to this tailgate from last year, as well as 4 tie-down clips in the bed. Also a 12-volt power outlet in the bed. Twin-tubed gas-charged front and rear shocks. We've been super pleased with this new 2026 Can-Am. We can't wait to see where they go from here. Let us know what you think of it.